Hello, 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 Facebook world. What is up? What is up? It is Nicole Cheney coming live at you from Ontario, Canada. You can hear the music in the background. My girls are playing in the playroom. And the playroom is like literally like just right behind you when where the phone is. So you could just hear them going do 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 do. And that's why I was dancing too. Anyways. When you pop on this live, you can drop me a 1. If you're watching the replay, you can drop me a 5. And if you're new to my crazy little show, you can put new in the comments. And if you're new and you're like, oh, this sounds really good. Okay, I do this all the time. So if you want to hit my face, there's going to be 3 little dots that come up in the corner. Click on it, go follow Steve first, and you'll never miss one of my videos. I always try and share kid-friendly keto low-carb meals because our entire family's keto, okay? My 4-year-old, my 2-year-old, my husband, and me. So that's what this page is all about, all right? So, we're making the mud cake, all right? Right now I got some cream cheese in here, softened, and we're going to be adding peanut butter to it. You know, I know, cream cheese and a cake sounds weird. I actually haven't tried this version of it. I've always used flour, and this is a flourless mug cake. So I was talking to someone who does have like an allergy and can't use a lot of flours. So this kind of gave me an idea. And see with this one here, with the peanut butter, you can actually switch it out to sunflower, which isn't, you know, that keto, but it's still low carb, right? So if you're trying to do this lifestyle, you can do that because that person had a nut allergy. So it got me thinking of how to do stuff creatively, right? So this video is for her, all right? And all she's got to do is switch out this to sunflower butter, and it works basically the same way.
Where Daddy?
I don't know where Daddy is, honey.
Daddy out there?
He might be upstairs, yeah.
I want to go see him.
Go ahead. You can try and find him if you want.
Okay. Mommy, is it out there?
He's not upstairs. She's upset because he's not upstairs. You want to say hi?
Hi.
We're making this cake for you, aren't we?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Num num num
I
num
don't
num.
want eating one.
No, because you want it in your cake, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. She's talking about the chocolate. I got a bowl of chocolate here. She's like, I don't want to eat this. She doesn't want to eat it because she wants it in her cake. Okay, so we're going to mix the two together here.
What are you doing?
So we got soft cream cheese in here and then peanut butter. Now, again, if you want the recipe, if you follow me, you know what to do, okay? But if you're new to me and you want the recipe, just put recipe in the comments, okay? And I'll get you tagged to it, the written one, okay? But that was 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, okay? And then 2 ounces of cream cheese in here, okay? All right, all right.
That's not Ally.
Yeah, is that Adeline?
Say hi, Ally.
You can say hi? See my youngest here. What? There you go. That's Adeline. She's the 2-year-old.
Hi.
There you go. We got a hi. We got a hi. Okay, so now we're gonna add the egg. Okay, there's 1 egg in this little recipe here. We're gonna add it. We're gonna add the egg, right? Well, crack goes the egg.
I have.
You have an egg?
Mm-hmm.
Did you lay this egg for mommy?
Mm-hmm.
No. No. Boom. Okay, we put the egg in here. Now, important thing to do when it's a mug cake, okay, is to really make sure this egg is like mixed in real good. You don't want any different egg parts everywhere. So you're just going to whisk it all together here. I do have a whisk here, but I thought it would be hard to use a whisk with the peanut butter and the cream cheese. So we're going to try it with a spoon first and see how that goes before using the whisk here. Oh, it's open, honey. Can we not play with it? Thank you. I don't want it to fall by accident because then we wouldn't have it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
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 You.
It's actually getting pretty well whisked together.
We want to eat it.
Well, you can eat it when it's all cooked up.
What?
What?
No.
So we're in a good mood today. How's everyone doing? I know this isolation has got us in different, well, everyone's using it differently, right? I saw in, where did I see it? In Italy, okay? a aerobics instructor went up on the roof of his building and did not like the like he I don't know, like it was really cool how he did it, but he was doing a aerobics class for the apartments around it, and he was like this instructor, like the screaming. It was funny to watch, but like, and also it's like, well, that's really cool. Like people are still getting that connection, even though they're not out and about. So like, I thought that was really cool to watch online, and I like how like like some communities are coming like real together with this, and I thought that was just like a really cool video. I did. Okay, all right. So this is mixed up as well as I think it's going to get. It's like sticky just using this peanut butter. Like I said, I've never actually tried this kind of recipe without the flour, but I thought, hey, let's try it out because I just thought that was really cool. So now we're gonna do swerve. This is the swerve I have. You can get it at Loblaws, the Superstore. You can also get it on Amazon, which I would suggest you get it on Amazon right now. It's 2 tablespoons of that. Okay. And once I get this all mixed up, I'll show you how it looks. Okay. So don't you worry about that. I'll show you how it looks. Okay. Boom. Okay, and then we have. Now we ran out of Dark Lily's chocolate chips. Okay, and I was very lucky that we have a chocolate shop right behind us. Okay, and he's still open during this time. If you like, please, my neighbors, you just call. Honey, can you go do that in the other room, please? Could you please go clean the other room for Mommy? Mommy needs the other room cleaned really badly right now. Can you go vacuum the carpet in there for Mommy? Yeah, do that. Okay, so I was able to get like a dark chocolate bar, and then I just broke it up into little pieces here, and I'm going to use that as chocolate chips. You right? During this time, you kind of like, in there, please. You makeshift it, right? So you're going to do a tablespoon and a half here in the mixture itself, okay? You're going to have some left over. All right? But right now, you just do a tablespoon and a half in the actual mixture, okay? Okay. All right, and I have no idea how this is going to turn out. Like I said, I saw this version of the recipe, and I was like, this is cool. This is cool, because I always use flour with it. And after having a conversation with someone going, I wish I could do keto, but I can't, like, I have a nut allergy. I was like, oh, I gotta find some creative things for them. All right, so now we're going to put this in the microwave for a minute 30. And we're going to see if it turns out. We're going to see how it turns out. I told her like I would experiment with it on a video and see if it turns out. If it turns out on this video, I will definitely like give it to her and be like, yeah, this worked, try this. And it's like a little chocolatey treat for her, right? Because of the nut allergy. Like she can just use the sunflower butter instead of it, of the like almond butter or peanut butter, right? And it works almost just the same, right? So I thought like, yeah, let's do this, let's try it out. I told her I didn't have sunflower butter, but if it works with peanut butter, it should work with sunflower butter, right? That's just my thought. I used to have sunflower butter all the time back when I had IBS, and it worked almost similar to almond butter. So I think like almond butter is just like peanut butter. So right, just a little bit less like thick, right. I'm like working this out in my head with you guys. Can you tell? This is actually the first recipe I've done online with you guys that I have actually never tried. My girls have never tried. But they love peanut butter and chocolate, and they love all the recipes that's in this. So if it doesn't even turn out, like we're just gonna like eat the crumbles, little bits of it. So we're gonna see if this works out. more seconds, to be honest. Let's see. It looks like it needs a few more seconds. Okay, so that's 1:30, like the recipe said. So we're gonna see if how it turns out with a little bit longer. Say about 15 more seconds, so 1:45, and we'll go check it, and then we'll see how it looks. The center is still not really get this finished. Maybe it's 2 minutes. We'll see. We'll see. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Okay. All right. So that's what it looks like in the mug. It looks done. It actually does truly look done. So we'll see if we can get it out. If it doesn't come out, then it might be just one of those mug cakes that you have to eat in a mug, which is fine. Like, we do that all the time, actually. I only take them out of the mug to show you guys what it looks like, but it looks like an actual mug cake right now. So, just gonna use my handy-dandy knife. See if we can get this out. See how it looks. And then the leftover chocolate that I have on here, like in the bowl there, it's just to put on top after you put it in the microwave. So it kind of like melts on top, so you have like a big, nice thick layer of chocolate on top. But I'm going to wait to take it out of the mug for you guys. Let's see. We'll see. Here, let's angle you down so y'all can maybe see if it turns out or not. Ooh, it did! It did, look at that! So there you go. It's a success, okay? And then we're going to take this little extra chocolate here. We're going to put it on top here, just like this. All right. And we're just going to let it melt all over it. Look at that. Okay. Look at that. Doesn't that just look delicious? It looks delicious. What we're going to do is as we cut it in half, because she's going to have some of it, Adeline's going to have the rest of it. And I'm going to put a layer of chocolate on top of the other half. So we're going to do this. See if we can cut this in half for you girls. Ooh. There we go. Ooh. It's like nice and spongy. There we go. And then we're going to put chocolate on this top. It did. It's okay. It's really nice and spongy and nice and moist, actually. I'm actually quite surprised by this. There's nothing left in there. So, there you have it. Woo! I'll take a picture of it, too, so y'all can see it. There we go. Y'all can see it real good. So, instead of what the recipe says, 1:30, it's actually 2 minutes in the microwave. 2 minutes. So, if you want the written recipe, just put recipe in the comments. Okay, you can eat that one. And I'll get you the written recipe because, you know, we were making this together. We're seeing if it figured out. So, what I did to actually make it work, I'll make that into a little written recipe for you guys. And if you want it, just put recipe in the comments and it's all yours. Let's see. Let's actually taste it, actually. Let's see if it actually tastes good. Let's do that. Let's do that. That's good. That's good. That's really good. Y'all should try it. Delicious. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Again, if you like this video or want to get more recipes that are kid friendly that we're all gonna, us as a family are all gonna eat. You guys hit my face. There's gonna be 3 little dots that come up in the corner there. You just click on it, you'll follow, see first, and you'll never miss one of my videos. And if you enjoyed this, please feel free to share. You're allowed to share any of my videos or content. 100% okay with me. If it wasn't, I would put it so you can share it. No. But I do appreciate each and every one of you guys that popped on. I do appreciate you. And I see you. Thank you. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, okay? Bye, guys.